Great. Hello, class. Today going to demonstrate a short PP lesson for adults and adults. Okay. In the in the first activity, we have what happened. Okay. Please look at the picture uh, in the in the first in the first picture, this street foot in the second picture, people are staying at home. Okay, why are people staying at home? Okay, in the chat, the some write please your sentences. Okay. We have the first participate. Okay. Um, because a tree is a food, the you answer very good, very good, and very good sentences. Okay. People are staying at home because the string is food is flooded. It's flooded. Now look at this picture. Are cutting trees. What happened in it? What happened in it? Okay, we had a second sentences. Okay, animal lost their homes. Exactly. Animal lost their homes because people cut tree. Or we can say people cut tree. So animal lost their homes. Okay. Okay, we are going watch the short video. While you watch, play attention to the cause and the effect, and listening for word like because and so. Okay, listening and look the video.
Cause and effect. What is cause and effect? The cause is the reason something happened, while the effect is the result of what happened. For example, when a sun shines after it rains, a rainbow is the result. So the sun shining after the rain is the cause, and the result, which is the rainbow, is the effect. Now, even though the cause always happens first, it may not be written first. In this example, I know that the sun and rain happen before the rainbow, the cause and then the effect. However, when I write it, it doesn't have to be in the same order. I could write, we see a rainbow because the sun came out after the rain. Just like many things in English, authors use many keywords to show a cause and effect relationship. Let's take a look at some examples. The ice cream melted because the sun was hot. The ice cream melted since the sun was so hot. In these two examples, the effect was written first, which is the ice cream melting. But because of two keywords like because and since, I was able to show the cause, which is the sun being very hot. I could also say the sun was so hot, therefore my ice cream melted. Or the sun was so hot and as a result my ice cream melted. Now in these two examples, I wrote the cause first, which is the sun being so hot. However, I used two different keywords to show the effect after it, which is therefore and as a result. Here are some signal words that we use to show the cause and effect relationship: because, since, if, then, due to, so, therefore, thus, as a result, and consequently. Now that you understand the meaning of cause and effect and learned a few keywords, see if you can identify the cause and effect in the next story you read, or practice using these keywords in your next journal writing. Thanks for watching!
Okay. What was one cause you noticed in the video? Okay, we first participate. They say people pollute the environment. Good, very good. And what was the effect? Very good. The climate change. Very good. Excellent. People pollute the environment, so the climate change. Okay. Okay. Uh, now, now you will practice. Imagine you have two cars. One car show a cause and other car show an effect. Okay? What mark match the car and say one full sentence using because or so. For example, people study every day, so they pass their exam. Okay, okay. Start. Yes, I had a first participate. Okay, what is your example? Okay, I read the chat the Sam. Student, first student, they say It it is a raining, so people use umbrella. Very good. Good sentence. The second student, I read your sentences. People study because past the sun. Very good, very good. Good ideas. Let me help you say it's better. People study so they pass the exam. Very good. Okay, while studying us, speak and use this checklist. Very good. A checklist is connector, is correct, is meaning confident. Very, 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 very good. Okay, now I use English, the real life context. Chose one topic, climate, change, social media, or study habit and create one sentences to explain a cause and effect. Okay, we had a 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, I have the first student. The student they say because they study very every day they get good grade. Oh, excellent example. Very good. This short speaking that is is the summary very very good. Okay, the second student, I need more practice. Now Now give your partner your positive comment. Okay, very, very good. You practice every day. Yes. This lesson um this lesson integrated formative assignment during in the practice and short summary assignment during production. Okay. Um, we had a second student. Okay, people use social media all night, so they feel tired the next day. Okay, very clear, very clear. Okay, for finally, um, the assignment is not there and of learning, it's part of learning. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.